Hey kids, it's time to learn letter G. Now say with me Giga, 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 ga ga ga, Giga, ga 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 grapes. Now say with me ga 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 grapes, ga 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 girl. Now say with me ga 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 girl. Now say with me ga 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 gun, ga 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 gun. Now say with me ga 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 gift, ga 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 gift. Now say with me ga 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 gate, ga 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 gate. Now it's time for an amazing story of G. Story of a girl. Gamma's gift of grapes. Gamma was a girl who lived in a beautiful village surrounded by lush green gardens and gates that led to secret paths. One sunny day, she decided to give her best friend Ima a special gift. Gamma carefully picked the juiciest grapes from her garden and put them in a colorful basket. She wrapped it with a gorgeous gift paper and tied it with a golden bow. As she walked to Emma's house, she passed through the village gate, greeting friendly villagers along the way. When Emma opened the door, Gamma proudly presented her gift. Wow, grapes are my favorite, Emma explained. Together they sat under the garden gate, enjoying the sweet grapes and each other's company. We learn a lesson from this story that gifts can bring joy and strengthen friendship. Goodbye, students. If you like, please share and subscribe.